मैम, मेरी डिलीवरी 3 महीने पहले हुई है, बट माई टमी लुक्स लाइक आई एम 5 months प्रेगनेंट. Honestly, it is very frustrating. My doctor has given a green signal for exercise, but क्या करूँ, कहाँ से शुरू करूँ, I have no idea. सिर्फ confusion ही confusion है.
भार्गवी, सबसे पहले यू आर नॉट अलोन. ये बहुत कॉमन है. एट दिस स्टेज मेनी मदर्स गो थ्रू द सेम थिंग. अ लॉट ऑफ मदर्स स्टिल हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड डायस्टिसिस रेक्टी, बट मोस्ट डोंट इवन नो व्हाट इट इज. उनको लगता है सिर्फ बेली फैट है, बट एक्चुअली इट्स एब सेपरेशन फैट के साथ साथ. दैट्स व्हाई द बेली कैन स्टिल लुक प्रेग्नेंट इवन मंथ्स आफ्टर डिलीवरी.
अच्छा, तो मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा I have diastasis recti है?
घर पे एक सिंपल सा टेस्ट होता है. आई विल शो यू. Guys, diastasis recti basically means the connective tissue between your two six-pack muscles gets stretched and the muscles move apart. यानी बीच में गैप आ जाता है. During pregnancy, this is completely normal. Body adapt करती है. The problem is when this gap doesn't recover properly after delivery. तब issues start होते हैं. In fact, research shows around 60 to 80% women can still have diastasis recti even 1 year postpartum or longer. And this can lead to belly still looks pregnant, वो hanging belly वाला feel, core weakness, body stable नहीं लगती, back pain या hips में discomfort, pelvic floor symptoms like urine leakage या heaviness, and during exercise, bulging, doming, coning, मतलब tummy बाहर को push करता है. That's why many women are cleared for exercise but still feel weak or uncomfortable. Green flag मिलता है but road map नहीं मिलता. समझ रहे हो ना? भार्गवी, let's do your test now. First, lie down flat on your back. Knees bend करो और feet को bed पे flat रखो. Now, relax your belly completely. Please, stomach को अंदर खींचना नहीं है. No sucking in. ये बहुत common mistake होती है. Place your fingers horizontally across the midline of your abdomen. This midline runs from the breastbone to the belly button and downward. यहीं पे हम चेक करेंगे सीधा बीच में. Now gently lift your head and shoulders just a little. Think of it starting a crunch but very small. जैसे ही head floor से ऊपर आए, stop. बस इतना ही. First, let's check at the belly button. Press 3 fingers straight down, palm facing you, and feel the edges of the 2 abdominal muscles on either side. दोनों तरफ के muscles. Any measurement more than 2 fingers is generally considered diastasis recti. On Bhargavi, I can feel approximately 3 fingers. For you, it could be 3, 4 or even 5 fingers. But listen, goal number chase करना नहीं. Goal ये है कि आप edges locate कर पाओ और gap को समझ पाओ. Now relax your head back down. Repeat the same check. 2 fingers above the belly button and 2 fingers below the belly button. And just to clarify, what you're feeling is not fat. वो space है between the 2 muscles. Now we check depth, not width. Depth tells us how well your core can support internal pressure. अंदर का pressure handle हो रहा है या नहीं. Place 1 finger at the belly button across the midline. This time, don't lift your head. बस notice करो. Your finger sinks in. How much? Does it sink very deep, like no resistance at all? या फिर quickly stop होता है because tissue pushes back. Repeat this depth check above and below the belly button as well. 3 जगह check करते हैं. How to interpret your findings? Wide gap, more than 2 fingers. This suggests abdominal separation. Gap present है. Depth more than 3 finger mark. Soft and squishy. This means the connective tissue is not doing its job yet. Core pressure को support नहीं कर पा रहा है. Depth around the second mark with some resistance. Good sign. Tissue function start कर रहा है but training अभी चाहिए. Depth between half to 1 finger with firm resistance. Very good. Abdominal wall pressure को better manage कर रही है. Even if small gap is still there. If you see bulging, doming, coning when you lift your head, that's also a sign that the core is not handling pressure properly. मतलब exercise choose करते time थोड़ा smart होना पड़ेगा. Now checking diastasis recti is just step 1. If you've checked your gap and depth and you're thinking, okay, अब मैं क्या करूँ next without making it worse, that's exactly what we treat in our postpartum healing program. It's a structured progressive program designed specifically for women with diastasis recti. Focus is on pressure management, core strength and real life function. Random ab exercises नहीं, proper step by step rehab. माँ बन गए हो तो ये मत सोचना कि ये सब तो normal है. प्रोग्राम लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा. लेट्स टुगेदर ट्रीट एंड हील दिस कंडीशन.